Hi, I'm Stuart. I work at Tempsford Airfield. It's a 1,600 acre estate in Everton, United Kingdom. We're a mixed farm here with cattle and with crops. We produce wheat. We also grow beans on different varieties, and barley is the main produce on our place. We've had sulky spreaders for quite a few years now. So we've gone with something that we know is reliable, we know what we're doing with it, we know how it works. That's why we've just stuck with sulky on that front. We've never had an issue with them. They've been exceedingly reliable with literally minor parts that need to be changed, which is wearing parts. They're really simple to use, really easy to set up. And once you've got it set up, they just stay there and you just get them out every year and off you go. So we do use the Fertiliser app to start with. To give us a nice ballpark point for it. Then we run a flow test just to bring it closer, and then every year we actually have a company out to check the spread width and everything for us, which are going for trays across the fields, and any slight adjustments that we need to do with it are all done, ready for the season. Find the weighing system quite well. Once you've tared it in the morning, because normally when you first start it up, it's never sitting dead on zero, but as soon as you tear it in the morning, you put your weight into it and it will quite happily sit there all day. It's great to give you a guidance of where you are, how you're going across the field, and point out any major problems if you have any, a lot quicker than if you didn't. The tri-board system, it's a great system, especially with the footpaths and the ditches that we all run by. With the two systems set up, if you're not near the ditches and everything, you can just keep it on a simple, straightforward tri-board system, which runs great. Then when you start having your ditches and your footpaths, you run it onto the 3D system, shut the revs down, and it will just drop it just before everything. It's a absolutely great system to run. The previous system to this was running the T-Jet and the Vision Box, which worked great. They were great systems, but having the new Isobus system, which is 2 boxes into 1, does make your life a lot simpler on that front. You know, everything's all on one screen, everything's right next to you. You don't need to keep going back and forth onto 2 different boxes. So the Isobus system is actually quite a nice welcome on that front. The section control is great. I mean, the previous model to this X40 was only a 6-section system, which we thought was great. Going into the gores and everything, shutting down piece by piece. There was none of this major overlap, and now we're running a 12-section system. It's even better. You know, you get so much more precision out of it, lining everything up perfectly. Yeah, it's a great system. Love the brand. I mean, they're great. If we've had any problems, they're straight on it every time. You know, you need to get hold of somebody, you've literally phoned them up and somebody will be there to help answer you, to guide you in the right directions. I would 100% go with sulky again.